Inserting a quiz into your PowerPoint is relatively easy with the use of Microsoft Forms. So first thing you need to know is that you do need to be in the desktop version of PowerPoint. The 365 version online doesn't give you the same capability to insert a quiz. So let's say I want to insert a quiz question in this slide. I'm going to add a new slide. I'm going to give it a title. And then what I want to do is I want to go up to Insert. And you can see all the different things I can insert. Here's Forms. Now I've already created the Forms document. So I called it Sample Quiz. So you can see I highlighted it, and you can put other ones in here, but you can actually create your own new one. I'm going to insert. Wait for it to work, and there it is. I can drag it down if I want to. So now this quiz is in here, and I just did a multiple choice question, and I did an open response question. Now the difference between a quiz and a form is a quiz is graded, at least the multiple choice questions, where a form is more to gather data, it doesn't give it a score. So if I want to see what it looks like, this is what the students would see. They would log in if they're not already logged in, and they can answer the quiz and submit. And you can use this to check how they're doing on viewing PowerPoints.